Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I want to talk to you guys today about Give Me Back My Youth. It's one of the products that I worked on because I really understood how important it was to assist the body at healing the microbiome of the stomach, helping with the heart, and helping with the brain. I was able to source a collagen and a colostrum from natural sources where the animals were treated with respect. I grew up on a farm and I wanted to make sure that there was no cruelty to the animals when this product was produced. This particular formula is more important than people think. Your body, needs collagen and colostrum to help the cells heal. Your skin, your hair, and your nails really need this so that you can really help with the process as you age. But when you give your body what it needs, you are able to support the way you look as you age, so you age gracefully and so you're still beautiful. I think this is a product you should try. A lot of people use it in coffee or hot chocolate as a creamer. Some people use it in tea. I use it in a smoothie, usually with relived greens, but I also love the smooth taste. Usually collagen and colostrum don't taste very good. I mean, they're horrible actually. This particular formula is really great. It's smooth, it's amazing, and it's a natural formula that you can't get anywhere else. You can buy colostrum, it's very hard to find. You can buy collagen, but really good collagen is also very hard to find. But putting them two together where they work effectively together is the magic of this product. And it's something amazing that can help you give you back your youth.